Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we'll show you quickly how to clean up your disk space using the native Storage Sense automatically on Windows 11. So Storage Sense is pretty much a simple service that will clean up your unnecessary temporary files, right, that are taking up space unnecessarily on your disk drives, and of course keeping your system clean and your disks are not getting cluttered up by the useless trash and is being removed on its own. So just type in Storage Sense or just Sense in your settings search. And as you can see, now we just need to go to this first tab. And guys, I actually, by myself, I disable it because I don't need it. If I need to clean something up, I just do it manually. But if you want to do it automatically, just enable it. Then go to its settings right here. And as you can see, you need to click on this first one, so keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up temporary system and app files. So just always mandatory to enable this, otherwise the service itself will not function the way it's intended. Also, as you can see, if you turn on automatic user content cleanup, it will run your disk cleanup when the storage space is low, especially when it's, for example, disk C, we have your system files, yeah, it just prevents it from cluttering up too much. And now, in terms of configure, as you can see, you can set the condition, so when it's activating, during load free disk space, every month, week, or day. Delete files in the recycle bin, you can set this, for example, to 2 weeks or 1 day, if you don't need it for too long. And delete files in my downloads folder, you can also do that if you wish, but be careful. If you have any important stuff there, it's going to get deleted, so careful with this. Maybe you don't want to enable this. And you can also run the Storage Sense now, so that it figures out what kind of, mess and trash is in your system. As you can see, I don't have any, but in your case, if you have any, you will be able to just, run this check and clean up your system files or your trash immediately. So that's it for this video, guys. Enjoy clearing up and cleaning up your disk space. Like and subscribe as always, and thank you for watching.